Growing up with 8 siblings in a middle class family, money doesn't come easily, and I admit that our parents hadn't guided us to be thrifty or how to handle our money well. So, as a middle aged woman, this is my struggle, but with the grace of God and my husband's guidance, I'm slowly getting there. In this video, I will show what happened 6 months ago with an Ipon or saving challenge for my extra profit from my home baking business. And now, I want to show you all how much I was able to save, and I'm hoping this can start a spark for you to save as well. So make sure to stay and watch to know how much I was able to get. I used my son's old plastic piggy bank given by his former classmate. I made sure to only insert extra money from the business and not from any change or withdrawn money. Usually, I don't withdraw all my sales because the digital money is being used to buy supplies as well. And when I get higher valued coins such as 5 pesos, 10 or 20, I made sure to insert it in the piggy bank. And with this challenge I am more disciplined to save every change. Just to give a background, both my husband and I have our different full-time jobs. I have 3 clients part-time as well. They are all online. Everything we earn is just online. We maintain 2 accounts from 2 different banks. One of the banks has a wonderful feature on its app to save certain amount for different goals. Going back to my home baking business, I had the business since 2017. It started at our ancestral home and I was able to build a physical shop, but sadly, COVID closed my bakery down, but I made sure not to be discouraged and I was able to continue back in our own new home. There are times that the sales from our small business cover my 3 employees, but sometimes I need to get it from my saved salary. Times are tough, but I know God will provide. I started a new saving challenge after I opened the piggy bank, and I will make sure to share that next time again. So here are some tips for this challenge. Make sure to save every change and do not buy unnecessary things. 2. Do not forget to put extra money in the piggy bank. 3. Hide your piggy bank so you won't be tempted to prematurely get the money. 4. Write a big goal for you to start a challenge. Example, save funds for a future travel plan. 5. Take it easy and do not focus on money too much. God will provide. Here is the breakdown. For the 1,000 bill, I got 5, so 5,000. 500 bill, I got 4, which is 2,000. 100 bills, I got 2, so 250 pesos. I got 7 of those, so it'll be 350. 20 peso bill, I got 1 piece, so that's 20. For the 20 peso coin, I got 16 of those, so that's 320. 10 peso bill, 80 of those, so 800. 5 peso coin, 80 again, so that's 400. 1 peso, that's 81 pieces, 81 pesos. 25 cents, so that's 0.25. Since I already removed 5,000 and 3,000, the grand total is 9,171 and 25 cents. I know it isn't a lot, but for someone who doesn't have discipline and money, it's a big deal for me, since I also have a 6-digit savings in my bank. It is just for fun to count actual money from my business that I haven't experienced in a while. I hope you enjoyed the video and may it spark a passion for you to save up for emergencies or for your unexpected online shopping. If you have questions about freelancing or our online work, just comment down below. God bless.